Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the color green. This is green. And here are the things that are green. The sugar apple is green. What's the color of the sugar apple? The guava is green. What's the color of the guava? The cactus is green. What's the color of the cactus? The leaf is green. What's the color of the leaf? The papaya is green. What's the color of the papaya? The jackfruit is green. What's the color of the jackfruit? The okra is green. What's the color of the okra? The chalkboard is green. What's the color of the chalkboard? The cabbage is green. What's the color of the cabbage? The pepper is green. What's the color of the pepper? Well done, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!